Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to set up APK files on iPhone. So you know that APK files are pretty famous on Android phones, but on iPhone, a few years back, you could not do it. But now, thanks to technology and thanks to the developers, we can get APK files on an iPhone. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to go to App Store of your phone and click on the search bar, and then you have to type APK downloader. After that, you have to click on APK downloader for APK online. This specific software is the software that you're going to use in order to run your APK files. And you have to click on install, and then you have to wait for the app to get installed. While the app is installing, what you can do, you can click on Safari and open it. And in the search bar of Safari, you have to type apkfiles.com. Now, when the site opens, what you have to do is you have to click on the search bar of the site apk.com, and then there you have to click on search bar and you have to type Facebook Lite. A Facebook Lite is a famous Android app, and once when you click it and you click on search, you're going to get a lot of Facebook Lite options, and you have to click on any Facebook Lite app and then you have to download it on your iPhone. You have to make sure that the app that is Facebook Lite you select is from the download source, which contains the highest amount of stars and the most amount of reviews, because then you'll get to know that is this a bogus app or a real app. A higher amount of stars and a lot reviews means that this app is totally real and it's good to use. So yeah, you can click it and install it, and it will be downloaded in your files. Now, files is a specific place on your iPhone. You have to click files, and you have to open your files, and you have to open the download section of your files, and there you'll be able to see that the files are with a question mark. That means you have to open it with the app that you downloaded, which is APK downloader app, and thus you're good to go. So that was it. I hope you found this video quite informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.